Hello all, welcome to Kuttuzen Tips. Due to various health issues and physical problems, I am not able to upload project videos of a data analytic course to my YouTube channel. A long time, around 62 days back, after I am going to start uploading the videos again. Once again, I'm sorry for delaying the uploading. Okay, today we are going to see about Project 7 Impact of Car Features. Okay, this was a somewhat interesting topic, analyzing the impact of car features on price and profitability. This is final project 3. Okay, it is mainly related to automotive industry when coming to developing new brands and analyzing their market, their price and profitability in such fields. Data analytics have a great involvement. So today we are going to deal with car features related to price and profitability. This project is for 50 points and criteria all are same that I explained in my second project. So if you are first time you are watching my videos, please go back to videos, other videos of mine, especially project 2 videos. You can know about various criteria in point criteria in 20 projects. Okay, here they given uh, separate sheet for project details. They given a separate sheet. In this they given the problem statement and statement description, and also given data set. You need to download data set from there, and in this data set around 11,159 rows are available, or datas are available, and also 16 columns are available, and we need all these 16 columns in analysis. Okay, we are not able to delete or reduce the uh, columns, because all of most of the columns are needed in calculation, and all the data heading, column heading are given here. Mainly it's make, model, year, engine fuel type, engine HP, engine cylinder, transmission type, driven wheels, number of door, market category, vehicle size, vehicle style, highway MPG. This is mileage, city MPG. These two are mileage. Then popularity, then MSRP, the road price for every car. They are given in MSRP. Okay, and then understanding the data set, everything they given. For going to the task, as usual, the main program of a data analyst is to clean the raw data, because raw data have lot of misinterpretations, errors, missing datas, and outliers are present. For good output, or a quality output, if you want a quality output as data analyst, your main aim is to provide a quality output or quality insight. You need to provide, for that purpose you need to clear all the missing data deleting the duplicates, removing the errors. All this thing is needed. So if you are not aware of cleaning data set, please go through my project 4, uh, project 4 and 5. In that, especially part 1 of 4 and part 1 of 5 project, I given how we are doing the cleaning of data sets. So please go through that one. Also, if you are new to my project, please subscribe my videos. That will be a motivation for me, because most of them are not subscribing or like, or not giving doing bell icon. So if you are watching and if you think it is worth these videos are worth, then please subscribe and like and hit the bell icon. So coming to the handling the uh, uh, cleaning the data value, as usual we need to identify the blanks, and you need to remove all the blanks uh, with appropriate data. Okay, next is identifying the duplicate. Also, you know how to identify the duplicate. Using conditional formatting, duplicate value. In this, we identify duplicate value, or go to special. You need to identify the blanks, or from data you need to identify the duplicate values. So all this method you need to use, identifying the duplicate and remove the duplicate uh, based on suitability. If good data, which one is most appropriate, you hold that one, and next one you need to delete. That will be the better way. This is the second way of removing duplicate, but here you don't get an opportunity to select which one is suitable. They directly remove the duplicate. Most appropriate form is go through conditional formatting, highlight the cell rules and duplicate values. So here you can easily identify which one will be the duplicate value, and you can take appropriate decision. Another one is to outlier, detecting the outlier also you are going to identify using various outlier formulas, especially using IQR formula. Q1, Q2, Q3, all this I explained in previous project, especially in bank loan case study. I explain all these outlier techniques. IQR, what is IQR? Lower bound, upper bound, outlier below the lower bound, outlier below the upper bound, number of outliers, maximum, minimum, all these things I explained in previous project. Please refer that one. Okay, and for simplify purpose, or for reading purpose, I translate all these thing into this small table form. So just numerical form only is suitable for doing outliers. Mainly year, engine HP, engine cylinder, number of door, highway HP, highway mileage, city mileage, popularity, MSRP. All these thing I analysis, and I given all the outlier chart here. And the most of the outlier, the engine HP 1001. This is 16 cylinder engine, for door or something. Then 354 highway mileage, 137 city mileage, 565 popularity. All this thing, we see it as outlier, but actually uh, most of are not an outlier. It's really present. One not thousand not one engine power is available for that particular vehicle, so we can't consider it as outlier. 16 engine cylinder is available, or 354 mileage is mainly related to electric vehicles. So this one charging 354 is not an outlier, and 137 in city mileage also is not an outlier. All these things are mainly related to electric vehicle. 5657 popularity also consider it as a outlier. Then price MSRP also we can't consider it as a outlier. All these things are just available in market at the same way. So we never think it as outlier, but just when calculation purpose, when we are doing, these all outliers are showing, and these outliers are plotted on the chart. uh, so this is simple. Next is handling the value. No specific thing is there, mainly related to missing data. I created, see here, crossover, previous the thing is 3000 to 19, but after modifying the missing, here missing is 3373, but after modifying everything and identifying, comparing the data with internet and other source of data, the data, common data is changed. So crossover become 4000 for 453, diesel to 220, exotic from 1283 to 1288, like that. Luxury is 2978 to 3050, and performance also changed to moderate performance, higher performance, like that. We are classified into different categories. So we modify the handle the missing value in such a way, and plotted over uh, this page. But specifically they are not asking this thing, but for better output, I specifically show these handling values here. Okay, from this only I am going to do task 1. So go to our task section. We can see the task 1. This is the task analysis. Task 1A, it's mainly related to create a pivoted table that shows the uh, number of car model in each market category and their corresponding popularity score. And 1D also say same related to this only. They are asking to create a combo chart that visualize the relationship between market category and popularity. So we need to show or we need to draw a chart mainly showing a relationship between market category and popularity. So based on that, first you need to create a pivoted table, then we need to create a combo chart over the relationship of market category versus popularity. So going back to task 1A and 1B. So I created the pivoted table related to category, mainly divided the category into crossover, diesel, exotic, factory tuner, fuel, hatchback, high performance, hybrid, moderate performance. Like this, I am divided the category into various fields. You need to divided each because their category field having more than in one column itself more than 3 4 values are there. Like here you see this market category are having factory tuner, luxury, high performance, like this various in single column we have different category, one two or more categories are there. You need to divided each category into different single form using power power query method. Using power query, we have a power query method is there. In data we have power query. See here we have power query. See blank query, like that power query is there inside this one. Okay, using that power query you need to make category, divide category into different column, and final setting will you get a final setting in this way. From this, using pivot table you can identify the crossover diesel, like this various their model count and their popularity you got. And with this we are going to make a combo chart. And this is combo chart. And so combo chart showing crossover, all the model categories they are showing. Then this is the relationship line they are showing. All this technique, chart technique we are using in previous uh, projects, and I explain various time about how we are creating bar chart, how we are putting the trend lines, all these things. This is the trend line, all these things we are said. This is you select from home, insert a recommended chart in the from this you are going to take this chart. Okay, and also I given a different way of a combination pattern also I given. This method also given, and based on this I given a combo chart here with the combination category also given here. Okay, so both is there, because during when I doing this project I have some confusion. Different people are showing different type method, so some are showing this method, some are showing this method. So I was confused which one the trinity is asking. So I put both of them. So the final result was good. I got a perfect score. So if you are some confusion, you give both result. Or if you are not time, I think this will be most appropriate one. You can follow this one. Okay. Next is moving to task 2. We are moving to task 2. Moving to task 2. Task 2, having create a scattered chart that plot engine power on x-axis and price on y-axis. Add a trend line to the chart to visualize the relationship between these variables. So these are the things we need to make a scattered uh, chart. And you in x-axis you need to put price. You need to put power of engine and price on y-axis, and also show a relationship line, trend line, and they are specifically asked in this section. Go to task 2 of excel sheet. Now this is the scattered charter. When checking here recommended chart, you can get here some problem are there, that way I can't able to enter recommended chart. Okay, but if um, See, scatter charter came. Okay, so this way you can get scattered charter, and using this area, putting this take a trend line, you get the trend line. So it's showing a trend line, and the trend line saying that when the engine HP having a moderate level of engine HP, having more what NJHP and the price, they are showing when the engine power is going raising, or engine power increases, the price also going to increase. This is the main relationship they are showing in the trend line. This is the symbol chart. Okay, it is easy to create. Then moving to next uh, task, that is task 3. Use a regression analysis to identify the variables that have the strongest relationship with car price. Then create a bar chart that shows the coefficient value for each variable to visualize the relative importance. So here we are going to identify regression analysis. We are going to do regression analysis. Normal way, Excel can't perform a regression analysis. You need to make some changes in regression analysis setting in Excel. So, friends, for making a regression analysis, you need to change some setting also. Then, before going to do your regression analysis, whatever column you want to do regression analysis, please copy to the analysis page. Go to the file, go to file, and from more option you can see options. Click on these options. Then in this display you can see add-ins. Click these add-ins, and next is Excel add-ins only. Click go. Then you can click on analysis tool pack. You need to select this tool pack, then click OK. Select your next step is to select your data. Okay, after that go to data, click on data analysis, search for regression. Then now I select regression, then click OK. Now you need to give input. The main variable is to put on y-axis, and remaining in x-axis you need to select other all variables. So friends, for giving regression, you need to put some data into their x and y range. In input, our y range is having dependent variable. In our case, that is MSRP, that is price, and we are going to check the relationship between the price and various variables various variables or various facilities of car, and how they correlate with or relate with MSRP, that we are going to check. So Y range we are giving price, that is a dependent variable, and input X range, that is independent variable. So all other factors like engine power, engine HP, uh, number of door, highway mileage, city mileage, all these are our X variables. Okay, after putting this one, now we need to put output range where you need to show the answer. So I will give data. I want my data in this same page, and I give a column to this area. I will give this area so that it is showing here. Okay, now they asked to put OK. We need to check what the answer will be. Okay, see, this is the answer. This is the coefficient, correlation coefficient. All the values are they given here. Also, if you want other data also, you can go. See, you given this output here. Also, you can add residuals, line fit plot, standardized residuals. So if you put this one also, they separately give their answer also. Overwrite, they put overwrite. Okay, no problem. We can check what will be the. It is not responding. See, they given residual output. So whatever things you want, you can use this method to for getting a regression analysis. Otherwise it is very difficult to get answer with this excel tool. You can do the task easily. So here come to end of our task 3 regression analysis. I made this one. This is my task 3. See, this was my task 3. Also you need to create a chart based on this analysis. For that you need to select any of the correlation coefficient. You need to select, leave the intercept. You select the coefficient this much. Okay, you need to select like this and go to insert, go to recommended chart. See, they given this chart. Move this chart to side. Okay, this chart show the negative coefficient and positive coefficient. So negative will affect the price reduction, and positive will help to increase the price reduction. So both this value is negative. This 3 is positive and 2 is negative in this case. Okay, so you need to check that one. If a price is it means what it means, the number of door will not affect the msrp rate. If a number of a door increase or decrease, it will not affecting a car price, or it will not affect the MSRP rate. Also, city mileage also not affecting. As per our regression analysis, city mileage also not consider or not have much effect on MSRP. But other things such as highway mileage, engine cylinder, engine HP, these three factors directly affecting the MSRP rate. So if there is some changes in these three fact variables, it will directly uh, affecting the MSRP rate. Okay, so here come end of my task 3. Okay, now moving on to next task. So friends, now we are going to fourth task 4a. They are asking create a pivot table that shows the average price of car of each manufacturer. This task is asking an average price of car of each manufacturers. So average, what the average price of each car manufacturers they are asking. Okay, and also asked to create a horizontal stack bar. They are specifically asked a bar chart or a horizontal stacked bar chart that visualize the relationship between manufacturer and the average price. So we need, move to Excel sheet, task 4a and 4b. So this is the various models of various car manufacturers that we are arranged based on their value. So from and also stock chart is presented here. So from this chart, we can identify that Bugatti is the highest car price, followed by Maybach, then Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, like that various relationship we can see in this chart. Average pricing, and we can see Rolls Royce car average price, Bugatti average price, everything you are get from this chart. So this will be easy for analyzing the market, or analyzing what where your car is there in the market, what is the average price of your car. This thing we can easily identify using this chart. Next, we moving to fifth task. This having also two tasks, 5a and 5b. 5a asks to create a scatter plot with the number of cylinders on x-axis and a mileage, highway mileage on y-axis. X-axis we need cylinder, and y-axis we need highway. Then create a trend line on the scatter plot to visualize, estimate the slope of relationship and access its signification. So we need to identify the relationship. We need to identify the correlation coefficient. We are asking calculate the correlation coefficient between the number of cylinders and the highway MPG to quantify the strength and direction of relation. So we need to identify correlation also. We need to identify the trend line and need to identify the correlation. Let's move to Excel task 5a and b. So for this also I selected engine cylinder and highway MP, and I identified the correlation coefficient that is negative 0.65. Negative, it is negative, so it's downward trend, negative trend. This is so this is the chart they are asking, and we given a trend line here. Trend line is there, and trend line is showing a negative thing. So it's show that when the power of engine power increases, the mileage goes decreasing. See, 16, then the mileage is very low. Here the engine power is less, mileage is high. So this way we can identify, I understand that there is a negative coefficient is going, negative trend is going on. Okay, this is the five task they given. Next is moving to next section. Mainly they asked to a dashboard creation, interactive dashboard they are asking. So interactive dashboard, when creating an interactive dashboard, I given some tips. I want to give some tips. Okay, because uh, don't go for what I did. There was some mistake I did during dashboard creation, because I am not able to connect all the slices with all these five charts, because I selected individual table for each graph. That was the mistake. So see, I selected this thing for here, I selected this for here, uh, see this for here. So different table I used to create a dashboard. Because of that, I can't make an interactive board most interesting way. I can't make, because different table I selected. So you need to select all the data point. You need to create what you need. You create the things from cleaned data set. All the thing you should select from here only, and you should here only you take pivoted tables, and you need to create an interactive dashboard. And when you select the slices, it will easy. With single slices you can control all the five tables, five dashboard, and it will be more interesting. So coming to dashboard creation, they ask, how does the distribution of car price vary by brand and body style? Car price vary by brand and body style. Hint, stack column chart to show the distribution. They are asked to use this stack column chart to show the distribution of car price by brand and body style. Use filters and slices. Filters and slices is must to make a interactive board chart more interactive. Calculate total MSRP for each brand, body style, and sum if or pivoted tables. Mainly, it is better to use pivoted tables. Otherwise, very difficult if you are going to use sum if and other calculation method. If you are going to use, means very difficult. So and also very much you should take all the data directly from clean data table and create I given how to create pivot table in my first in project 4 of my first project, explaining Excel how to create pivot tables. So in that, how to we can move a pivot table from one area to other area, how we are introducing pivot table. So if you are first time to seeing my video, please go back to project 4 videos part 1. It clearly say how you are creating pivot tables. So mainly from clean data, a single data set you use, single table you can use, and with that pivot table you can create this pivot table. And with this pivot table you need to create a stack chart. This chart your this is the specification of stack chart. In a single way crossover, different vehicle come over here. Okay, based on their price, three conditions we are meeting. The price is there, model is there, series, different uh, category are there. Okay, so three in one, we can see. Okay, this is the specialty. Then moving to uh, task 2 of dashboard, which car brand have the highest and lowest MSRP, and how does the vary by body style? Hint, clustered. They are asking clustered column chart to compare average MSRP across different car brand and body style. Calculate average MSRP of each brand and body style using average if or pivoted tables. So moving to task 2 of dashboard. With this, I given all the average MSRP relationship with various variables, that is these are various variables, hatchback to SUV hatchback, all these are various variables, and based on that various prices are plotted, and clustered charting I given here. Clustered charting average MSRP relationship between cluster charting. uh, so I plotted there. With this you understand various cluster charting and average MSRP you can easily identify with this chart. Then moving on to task 3. Task 3 mainly asking how do the different features such as transmission type affected the MSRP. How transmission type affected MSRP, and how does this vary by the body style. So how these things vary body styles, MSRP and transmission type. Mainly asked to create a scatter plotter chart to visualize the relationship. Okay, so here also you are going to create pivoted chart is better. So here is the scatter charter. You are going to make pivoted table with various things automated, automatic directive, various transmission type, and their price MSRP are given below. Then scatterfruit plotter I given here with various all the three things are given here, slices are given here. So this will easy to make the board more interactive. Next, moving to task 4, how does the fuel efficiency of car vary across different body styles and model? Hint, they are asking line chart to show the trend of fuel efficiency. Moving to task 4, here also uh, all the data you need to directly taken from clean data, and there you create pivot table and move to new page, and here you are going to create chart. So this is the line chart, mainly this is MSR mileage and fuel efficiency mileage over time. This is given. Okay, for easy purpose I just enlarge it. Okay, see 23, 24, 28 to 25, like that it is going, and based on year it is moving here and there like this. And I given slices, various filters here, so it is easy to make this board more interactive. Next, moving over to task 5, how does the car horsepower, MPG, and price vary across different brands? Use bubble chart to visualize the relationship between horsepower, MPG, and price across various chart. So this also using this where you use mainly from recommended chart. Their bubble chart is there. Use that one to make, see, recommended chart. Here this is bubble chart. This bubble chart I modified, okay, with various setting I modified, and I created this one. I created this one. Okay, with this slices, we are going to with this bubble chart, you are going to make it more interactive. Different names, everything with this one only, with axis, title, chart title, data level, grade line, everything. With this help only I created this chart, bubble chart. This is the pivoted table, so completing my boards, and with this I created this. And finally I copy all the chart from the each page and pasted here and make it a interactive board here. And with this slicer, if you see change. But if I taken data from same data for all the five chart, it will create according to the single slicer. But we didn't did that because am not aware of that thing earlier. During my project time I am not aware that earlier, that later that I only understand that if you are taking data from same data set, you can, or table, you can easily create an interactive board more suitably. Or if you are going through Power BI or Tableau, you can create attractive data board. Okay, that also keep in mind. That is the difference between Excel and Tableau or Power BI. And they give they are very good in interactive boards. Okay, so these are the things we are in project 7. So I think you people understand the thing. If you have doubts or other thing, please uh, mail me, or please try to contact me through my mail. I given my mail here. That is eldos t002 @gmail.com. Okay, please, or comment below my video. I will respond to your doubts. Okay, you can contact me at any time. I will clear your doubts. Or if you need more support, please contact through mail directly. I will help, surely help you people. Okay, last 62 days I am not able to create videos, or for that because of due to various health issues I am facing, or I am passing through various health issues. That why I am not able to give datas. But here onwards I am going to upload various uh, videos related to data analytics. Later on, I am going to upload various notes related to nursing. Nursing also I am going to start, especially psychiatric nursing. I am going to upload notes. If somebody related to from a nursing field, some students are doing nursing and they need notes, please contact me through my mail. I will help. Okay, please subscribe my channel Kuttuzen Tips, or at the rate those tips, and subscribe and uh, like the videos and hit the bell icon. Thank you once again.